Hello everyone, this is Gus and
Horsey!
this is Horsey and Violet. So, some footage got deleted by not me. Today we're going on an adventure. We're going with Marco and Itzel. They're back and we're going to Big Bend.
Da, 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 da.
Alright, so we are at the Boquillas Trail and it is right next to the Rio Grande River. We're almost there. Alright, this is it. Rio Grande. We are in the last of the hike. We were resting right here in the river. Now we're gonna go back and continue our journey throughout the state park. So, wow. Right now we are in the Window Trail. It's pretty beautiful out here. We thought it was 0.4 miles, but now it's 5 miles, so.
5 mile round trip.
Yeah, so we're probably not gonna finish it today or anytime soon. But we're gonna show you guys, you know, until wherever we get to. So, stay tuned.
Largest national park in the lower 48 states and the 15th largest park in the whole country. Isn't that awesome? And it's right next to the Mexican border. You can literally see Mexico across from the Rio Grande River that runs along the bottom of it. Big Bend is named after the river's Big Bend in West Texas. It is also considered to be the largest Chihuahuan desert nature preserve in the whole country. Passing through Terlinga, just outside of Big Bend.
We're in Alpine, and these piggies wanted Pizza Hut. So we gotta get pizza!
Oh my goodness! This is family time.
¿De qué? Por favor, di algo para que tu familia no te critique.
Nada. Hello! So yesterday we went to Big Bend National Park and it was awesome. Got some great footage. We saw some nice wildlife, some flora and fauna, some amazing views. And today we're going to close out this video with a little visit to the Chihuahuan Desert Reserve here in Fort Davis. They have a little place where they preserve the land, and we're looking forward to seeing all the vegetation and any wildlife that might be there. So see you there.
not getting here.
We opted for the botanical garden, and the way that she explained it is it's a half-a-mile loop and there are labeled plants along the way, like so. And the terrain starts like, in the beginning it's like dry, low desert, and then they designed it so that the further back you go, the higher the terrain is, and the different levels or the different kinds of plants there are.
It's all very windy.
It's also very windy, so we chose this one also because the wind was going to be a little less intense than the hiking trails that have cliffs and things.
Are you having fun, sir? Like a big loop on the garden that they have. They have a bunch of cactus, and it's been fun. It's been a fun day. Nice, easy walk. Probably can't hear me very well because of all the wind, and there's just also a storm coming because it's almost typhoon season, I think, or typhoon season just started. So we're gonna see how weather keeps going today. Alrighty, so we did not do the canyon loop. It's just way too windy right now because the storm is coming. So make sure you can see the rain like from here. But anyway, so right now we're gonna go to Marfa and we're gonna have a lot of fun. We're gonna go eat and explore a little bit. See you guys there. Alright, we're here in Marfa. We came to eat to the Hotel St. George, into the bar and grill. So we're gonna check it out. That is our last day with them. Alrighty, we went in here. We couldn't record. It was nice though. But here is our goodbye.
Bye.
This is our last travels with them for a while. Here's baby John waking up. Look at him. Waking up. So this was a great adventure that we had with them. I'm very grateful for it. We're gonna get out of here because it's really cold and windy. Alrighty, so we are back at the RV. It is raining now. We had so much fun with my cousin. Super windy. We got out of the hike that we were on. As always, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, all the things. Go to Instagram and follow us also on Instagram. And thank you for watching. Bye.